In today's fast-paced world, efficiency and reliability are key. TRUMPF Hüttinger power supplies ensure smooth operations in high-tech production chains. But even the best systems sometimes need expert attention. So, what to do when you need immediate support to avoid downtime? Our world-class service team is just a call away. You can reach us via the TRUMPF website, your existing contact, or the My TRUMPF app. One of our local, qualified technicians will get in touch with you quickly. All our service locations use a unified system, our SIS, ensuring efficient and coordinated support. We act as one global service organization to handle customer needs effectively. Your case will be logged immediately, triggering a rapid response from our global team. For large cabinets, our field service team provides fast on-site parts replacement thanks to the extensive coverage of our local service centers. We also offer expert training at your facility or at TRUMPF Hüttinger, enabling you to perform repairs immediately. For small to medium-sized cabinets, our modular design allows for easy unit replacement with real-time remote support available. Ideally, having spare parts and backup units on hand can further streamline the process and reduce downtime. Units needing service will be shipped to the nearest regional service centers. Our centers are staffed by experts with advanced test equipment for complete repair and maintenance. Thanks to TRUMPF Hüttinger's expert service, your production targets can get back on track seamlessly. In addition to fast and efficient service, TRUMPF Hüttinger supports you with startup, remote control, and extending the lifespan of your power supplies through refurbishment and retrofitting, among many other services. Our commitment to excellence includes a feedback loop for continuous quality improvements, ensuring that every service interaction helps us to generate confidence and further enhance our products. So count on us. We are always at your service.